All right, today's workout is going to require you to choose wisely. Today's workout is going to be 5 rounds, and each round is going to consist of 20 hang power cleans, followed by 10 dumbbell thrusters. The dumbbell weight today is going to be 50-35, and you will be using a pair. We want you to be able to complete a full round unbroken, all right? At the end of each round, you'll have 1 minute of rest to recover from your efforts and then be ready to go at it again. Again, we're gonna go ahead and deadlift this up, get it into the hang position, and from here, we're gonna go ahead and complete 20 hang dumbbell power cleans. When we get to the power clean, we wanna make sure that the elbows are ahead of the dumbbell at the top. So make sure that you get those dumbbells so that they are parallel to the ground at the top of the movement, all right? So get a flash. And then once you're done with that 20th hang power clean, we're gonna go ahead and go down to the bottom of the squat and press them up all the way up overhead for 10 reps. And again, after you're done with your 10th rep, you'll look at the clock and rest for 1 minute. The goal here is to get done as quickly as you can, with the intention that we're gonna go ahead and try to keep this hang clean to thruster unbroken every single round. If we need to scale the weight to be able to do that. You're not a hero today. We really would like for you to have a pair of dumbbells that allows you to move this quickly and unbroken, all right? So that is gonna be at the forefront of your mind. Now a hang power clean done quickly and effectively, we're gonna go ahead and get that done. It takes about somewhere around 2 seconds of movement, maybe a little less. So we know that 20 should take about 40 seconds. And then if we're thinking about the thruster at the weight that you choose is gonna be somewhere around 3 to 4 seconds per rep. So that means that's another 40 seconds at the back end for this workout. So when you're fresh, the rounds are gonna be somewhere around 1:20 to get completed. For some of you, it'll take a little bit longer, but not much longer, okay? So we wanna keep that in mind as we're warming up, thinking about keeping this movement very quick and within that 90-second window range. And then we're gonna go ahead and have that 1 minute of rest after each round. So as you're warming up, let's have that mindset. Is this taking me too long to do 1 rep into the next one, okay? So that's gonna be our mindset. About 40 seconds to complete 20 hang power cleans with the dumbbells, and then about 40 seconds to complete 10 dumbbell thrusters at the weight that we have. So keep that in mind as we're warming up. Your coaches will remind you, we want this to be quick, okay? So quick is the goal, quick and unbroken. So let's go ahead and scale that weight so that we can go ahead and achieve that.